In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook for time management. We're going to focus on turning your Outlook calendar into your time control center so you can proactively plan your day instead of reacting to it. The core idea is simple and powerful: time blocking. You'll schedule everything that matters, not just meetings, so your most important work gets the time it deserves. Start by opening Outlook and switching to your calendar. Click New Appointment to create a block of focused time. Set a clear start and end time, for example 9 o'clock to 10:30 a.m., and give it a specific name like Deep Work, Project A. This title matters. It tells you exactly what you're committing to during that block. Next, set the status to busy. Marking your time as busy signals to others that you're unavailable, helping prevent overbooking and last-minute conflicts. It also reminds you to protect that block as if it were a meeting with a client. Now, repeat that process to schedule the core parts of your day. Create dedicated blocks for focus work where you'll handle complex tasks without interruptions. Add specific windows for email processing so you're not checking your inbox all day. Schedule short breaks to reset your energy. Include planning time, perhaps a brief block at the start or end of the day, to prioritize and review. And don't forget personal time when you need it. When you put these on your calendar, you reduce decision fatigue and make your day more predictable. Be realistic with durations. If a task usually takes an hour, don't book only 30 minutes. Give yourself enough space and leave small buffers between blocks to handle quick follow-ups or to reset. If something urgent comes up, you can always move a block. Think of your calendar as a plan, not a prison, but reschedule it intentionally instead of dropping it altogether. Keep your titles clear, like Plan Next Week or Email Zero Inbox, so you know exactly what to do when the block begins. Treat each block as a promise to yourself. When an invitation lands over a blocked period, you'll see the conflict right away and can decide whether to accept it or protect your original plan. By using New Appointment, naming your blocks, and setting them to busy, you build a schedule that supports deep work, focused email time,